and you like to put that shit in your nose. But I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets, they be thinking you're a lady, but at home.
Right now, I'm at One Life Fitness. I got this free gym membership for 5 days, so I'm trying that out, and I like this gym a lot. I just finished my workout, as you just saw, and now I'm going to pick up my car from getting serviced at Chevy. Just doing a little checkup and getting my tires rotated and see what else I need to get done, but not go through them just because knowing how much dealerships cost with service. No, I'm not paying that. I'm waiting for the shuttle to pick me up and then pick up my car. Let me go to H&M and see what they have. I like this. I have this one, but this gray one's way cuter. I'm a basics girl and I love basics. This I would wear. I love these type of long sleeves. They're more comfy house loungewear. I always go slow on this part.
It's not my car, so fuck it. Never really thought.
This is so nice.
That thing is beautiful, no?
Look at that.
That's beautiful, right?
Yes. Got my car serviced. Everything's done. I'm happy. Getting my nails done. I'm about to do a black French tip thing. My nail appointment is right now and I'm late, but it's okay. Just got to the mall. About to get my nails done. It was like a 15-minute drive. It wasn't that bad.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Sexy nail?
Huh?
Sexy nail today, right?
Sexy nails, yes. He's filing it. Hi, Emily. Hi.
Emily's your girlfriend, right?
So we're picking out which nude I like the best for the French tip. Yeah, that's that one.
That's only this one.
I'll do this one. Yeah.
Filter to help you waste less food.
A library. But first, it's
I just love super square. It looks so clean.
The last battle's together we face the impossible. If our friends are in trouble, why would they ever stay here?
I love it. So I got my nails done. Like, look at these. They may sing like a choir. It's a beautiful day outside. I came home, ate some lunch, then I took a nap. I'm honestly so tired, but I'm gonna go out with my girls tonight, see my friends, so I'm gonna get ready. I think I might wear this white long sleeve dress and do some makeup on my face just because it is breaking out and whatever. I'm gonna keep my hair in a ponytail. I'm going to try to vlog. I'm really trying to vlog, It's just hard to record things. I don't know what it is, but I'm just so in the moment where I forget. It just doesn't pop up, but I'm trying. Today I really tried on recording everything. Don't mind the mess in the back, but I'm gonna do my hair in a ponytail, put my outfit on, and yeah, we'll see. I think it looks cute. It's cute. But yeah, let's get ready. Is that not crazy? Because we would never have thought about this.
Metro, yo Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can't knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore all the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me.
Okay, I think I like the bun better just because it's like a messy type of thing. I put this up just to like give the messy look. And I'm wearing this black bodysuit. I don't want to do too much because if I wore the white dress, my makeup would have just got on it. I just know, knowing me, it would have got on it. So I'm not doing that. Let me put some powder on my face. These are literally my favorite earrings ever. Like, look at that. Wait, what? Okay, let my face bake. Tomorrow we're going to pottery painting. I'm excited because I've never done like a real class. So recently Good Molecules reached out to me and were asking me, they want to send me a package, right? Me thinking like, this is too good to be true. I've never got a PR package and I thought it was fake. I thought it was a hoax, like it was fake, whatever. I did respond to the email saying my skin concerns, because on some like, okay, I'm not sending them my social security number, I'm not sending them anything else. They sent me a package. I sent it like a little while ago, but I was like, let me unbox it with them, let me show them like my reaction. Okay, this is so cute. Ooh. See a difference in your skin. I've always wanted to try their products. Like, I've always seen it. I've seen it on commercials, TikTok, and I want to try it. I saw their discoloration thing. I've been having some random spots on my face, and I heard that works. So I thought about buying it. Okay, so let's see what we got. First thing I'm taking out is this instant cleansing balm. First of all, I love their packaging. It's so cute. It's nice. Ooh, never tested on animals. That's great. It tells you you could use it in the AM and PM, so that's good. This was the cleansing balm. I'm so impressed. I got my first PR package. Like, I did not think this will ever happen. Next, I have the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. It says PM use only, camellia and sea buckthorn oils to hydrate, protect, and nourish. I was looking for a hydrating facial oil too, so this all works out. Look how everything works out for you. This is a serum. It refines signs of texture and improves appearance of pores. That's nice. In the back, they show you some steps. Ooh, this is a good size. The last thing is this brightening toner. Ooh. I'm telling you, if you don't wear SPF on your face, you're doing the wrong skincare. You need to wear SPF every day. Moisturize my skin every day, then I apply SPF. I use the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer UV. This saves my skin. I'm telling you right now, ever since I started wearing SPF on my face, my entire skin changed. But if you're not doing that, trust, it would change. You're exposed to sun every day. Definitely gonna try the products. I'm gonna take a before and after picture, see if the brightening toner works, see if the hydrating facial oil is hydrating, and yeah, I'm so happy. They sell Good Molecules in Ulta too. That's where I always seen it at. I think Target has it too, but it's not at Ulta. Hopefully I get more PR packages in the future and see what else could come my way. I'm excited. But seeing this honestly made me so happy. I'm so grateful they thought about me just to do it. I know they probably told a bunch of people, but just being a part of it makes me feel like, wow, like, okay. Thank God. Always thank God. Gotta go. I need to put my shoes on. I'm gonna wear off-white shoes or my G-Fazos. Probably my G-Fazos. If you don't know what G-Fazos are, that is Air Forces. I'm a big G Herbo fan, so G Herbo calls them G-Fazos. Ever since then, I've just been calling them G-Fazos. So if I ever say that, you'll know what I mean. I'm gonna wear a jacket because I'm pretty sure it's cold. Alexa, what's the weather outside?
The current weather is 56 degrees Fahrenheit with clear
56.
skies.
I'm gonna wear a
Tonight,
jacket.
you can expect a low of 50 degrees.
I'm gonna wear a jacket. But I'll see you guys soon. So we're in DC. Abby has said hi. They look so good. Look at the outfit.
Let's look at her.
They're looking for a bathroom, but I heard about a seal. What's a seal?
Breaking the seal. So basically, once you drink, you can't pee because then you break the seal and then you're gonna get sober. So
I've never heard that in.
Yeah.
Well, what if you need to pee?
No, you gotta hold it
You don't
in.
have to pee your pants.
But I'm just gonna pee right now and break the seal, see what happens later. Hey.
We made it to St. E's.
We did.
Now we're waiting for our friends. It's our first time in here, so
First time.
legal.
Party's just getting started over here, baby. When you see 38 one walk.
Hey guys, right now I'm getting ready to go pottery painting with my sisters. I don't even know what I'm gonna wear. The weather outside looks so disgusting. Parties we're trying to go to, but we'll see. And my new job just told me my starting date is tomorrow. It was supposed to be next week, and I was really hoping for it to be sooner. And look, it worked out. So tomorrow's my starting day. They asked me to come today around like 5, but I'm not gonna be in the area around 5. So I told them tomorrow works for me, so that's good. And then this mom asked me to babysit this morning, and I was sleeping, and that shit got me so mad because that's money. But when I don't really have like plans in the morning, I kind of just sleep in to like whenever. But this is why I don't. This is whatever. But I'm gonna find an outfit. I'm gonna show you guys when I find my outfit, and I'm gonna do my hair.
The people play and get shot down. The people love me, but I'm trying. People love me, but I'm robbing them. Like no E, we be stuck.
Skinny right now, like what? On Pinterest for pottery painting ideas, because that's what we're about to do. Pottery painting called, we're at this place called All Fired Up. Oh my gosh, it's gonna fall. I'm ready for it to like slam down. We are at All Fired Up in DC. Oh, I'm gonna do this. She's looking at an example, show them. I might do like this. Our sisters are pulling up. We have Vietnamese sisters. Vietnamese twin sisters. We're quadruplets. Oh, actually, I love doing this dot thing. I'm gonna do that. Wait, that looks nice. I'm cool. Show them. Do this. Oh, I don't want y'all to steal my ideas. Like, maybe I'll do something like this. So our pottering class starts at 3, and we're waiting at the restaurant next door. In the meantime, get some food. The place is called Cleveland Park Bar and Grill. Jinx. see what it's looking like.
Yes, we're about to paint some mugs and stuff.
These are actually pretty cute. This is so cute. I wish I did this one.
But they're so tiny.
So I picked the bowl. She picked her bowl. She got a bowl too.
And I got a plate.
I like the plate. Everything here is self-served. I might do 11.
This green is so pretty. Like this. Show me. Show this.
It's a little update. This is my bowl. Her bowl. I like this. Hold it up. And result.
Let me see. So I'm for the brightness so you can see better.
Hey guys, I'm about to get my hair done. This girl Halima, she did my braids recently and this is my second time going to her. She's honestly super nice. She's the sweetest person ever and she's great at what she does. I love clean work. Her work is clean and she just did a great job for a good price too. So today we're gonna do more Dutch braids. I think I want to do 4 braids and then yeah. Got my nails done yesterday, got my lashes done, getting my hair done today. Alhamdulillah, great day. Thank God for everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. The video recommendations, things you want to see, let me know in the comments. If you like the video, let me know too. I'm excited what I'm gonna post next, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. It's summer now, so get ready and stay tuned. Bye.